You can ask me again and continue the discussion. Have any
Sir,
doubt?
means if the question there is after charging such commissions, only commission will be included or interest on capital or salary of ITO partners also be included?
No, in the question,
After-
it is written before charging such commission in this question.
Yes, sir. If it would be after charging.
But then also, I'll not think of interest, salary, other things, because those things are not mentioned. I'll take straight away 5 upon 105 on the same net profit. If they make it complex, entangling that interest, that commission, after commission, but before interest, all these things, you can take some question that way. But in this question, those things are not to be thought of. We shall not think those things. Simply, if it is given after charging, we shall take 5 upon 105. Simple. Or 10 upon 110. Very simple. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as I promised, the other question also, let us see what other question was here. So, 3 questions I have given. Please wait for some time. Let us complete another 10-15 minutes. It will be complete only. You agree, all of you? Feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I gave you 3 questions. Let me finish the third one also. It will not take much time. Now you have become expert. Machinery at cost. I am talking about Omor and Omor. Omor and what is it? Both are Omor. Have you got that question? Omor and Omor? Make me
Yes,
confirm.
sir.
Okay. So machinery at cost. Machinery at cost.
Sir,
Tell me.
asset side.
Asset side.
Asset side.
Closing stock.
Asset side.
Okay.
Asset.
Copyright.
Asset.
Asset. What is the meaning of copyright? Who will tell me?
The patent.
No. Patent is a different thing.
Book adit
Copyright-
likha thake, book writer bilake kore.
Okay. So that is not, that is not patent. Patent means it's a right over some invention. And regarding, suppose you have written a book, so it is your intellectual property. And this book you have given to a, you have given the book to a publisher. And as many copies you will be selling, he will be giving you something, that is royalty. So you are having a right over the copy. That is copyright. Got it? That is copyright. Copyright on the sale of books, as many copies like that, it is like that. Then land,
Sir, asset side.
salaries, salaries,
PL
PL
debit.
debit.
cash balance,
Asset
Asset.
side.
delivery van expenses,
PL
PL
debit.
debit.
bill receivable,
Asset.
Asset side.
debtors,
Asset
Asset
side.
side.
charity,
PL debit.
PL debit.
10% investment.
Asset side investment.
Point number 1, asset side. Point number 2, there is 10%. Like ASB bond, last question. So 10% interest you have to calculate on 30,000. But another point is given in the bracket. The date is given when the investment was purchased. If the date is not given, you straightway calculate interest for 1 year. I have done in ACB bond. But here, investments were purchased on 1st July 2014. 1st July 2014. So from 1st July 2014 up to 31st March 2015, how many months?
9 months.
9 months. So calculate 10% on 30,000 for 9 months. See, 10% on 30,000 becomes 3,000. But if it is for 9 months, then 3,000, you take, calculate with me, you also do it. In calculator, you do it 3,000 divided by 12 into how much? Into, hello? Please keep on talking to me. 10% of investment is 3,000. But this should be for 9 months. So 3,000, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So 10% of 30,000 is 3,000, but it is for 9 months. So 3,000 divided by 12 into 9. It is coming. How much? Can you tell me, anybody?
2,250.
Correct. So 2250, you should get interest. Now see the credit side. How much you have received? Interest on investment, tell me.
1,500.
1,500, but you should receive 2250. So you have received less. How much less you have received?
750.
That 750 is outstanding interest or interest accrued. So treatment, you tell me. PL credit.
Asset side.
No, first PL credit you go. PL credit you write by interest on investment 1,500 inner column. Add interest accrued. Interest accrued will be 750 and total and out 2250. This 750 will again be going to balance sheet which side?
Asset side.
Very good. Very good. Any doubt? Clear. So these things many students forget. See, although I'm explaining, but many of you may not understand. If you don't understand, if you ask me, I can explain, because every student may not be understand in the same speed. But you can ask me today or next class. You can take back also, sir, please explain this point once again. You explain that day I didn't understand. I'll not mind, I'll explain to you. Please remember that. So drawings, no problem. Capital, no problem. Reserve fund. What to put? Reserve fund. Reserve fund, what to put?
So liability side.
Liability
Okay.
side.
Bank overdraft.
So liability.
Okay. Bad debt provision. This is old reserve. You know, you have to see new reserve, old reserve. If there is anything new reserve, we shall compare. We know it. And syndicators.
Liability side.
Liability.
Okay. Trading account credit, gross profit.
PL
PL
credit.
credit.
Okay. Profit from joint venture.
PL
PL
credit.
credit.
Okay. Depreciation fund on machinery. Have you ever got it earlier? Tell me yes or no. Or type. Did you get earlier? Type yes or no. Please, I want to see. Type yes or no. Nobody's typing. Are you hearing me? You're not hearing me. What happened?
Yes, sir.
So in the chat box you write, have you earlier got it? This depreciation fund on machinery, etc. Have you got earlier these steps of item? First question. Yes or no? Sahil, did you get it? Yes, no. Okay. Someone yes, someone no. Okay. So many people writing no. So I should explain this thing. Okay. Let me explain. Just you communicate with me. So depreciation fund on plant and machinery. It may be depreciation fund on anything else. No problem. It will be appearing in the trading credit side. Let me tell you what is the meaning. See, depreciation from original, you see, depreciation comes to PL debit, and depreciation is ultimately shown in the balance sheet asset by way of deduction from the asset. But in certain other method, some companies, instead of deducting in the asset side, they write depreciation fund on the liability side. Balance sheet will tell you can deduct depreciation on the asset side, and instead of deducting on the asset side, if you write on the liability side, balance sheet will tell you or not, mathematically tell me. It can type yes or no. Generally, depreciation we deduct in the asset side from the asset. But instead of deducting, if I write on the liability side, depreciation fund, so mathematically balance sheet will tally or not tally. Please type in the chat box. Yes or no? Hello? What happened? They're not listening to me, or yes, sir, it will tally. Yes, please communicate with me. It will tally because depreciation you deduct on the right hand side. Instead, if you put on the left hand side of the balance sheet will tally. So some organizations want that machine should be from the beginning till long period, machine should be at the same price, full value, instead of deducting depreciation. So they want to show machine at the full value, and in this system, balance sheet liability side, you put depreciation fund. That is the system. Instead of deducting on the right hand side, you put on the liability side. And when balance sheet liability side depreciation is given, next year, this will be coming as a credit balance, and this will be appearing on the credit side of trial balance. And here it is credit side of trial balance, this depreciation fund. So it will again, you have to put on the balance sheet liability side. Actually, like reserve fund, any other fund also comes to balance sheet liability side, that is okay. But regarding depreciation, there is something special. Depreciation is in the in the trial balance credit side, it will be coming to the balance sheet liability side straight away. And if there is new depreciation on machinery, that will be again coming to the liability side, it will be added to the depreciation fund. And there is no problem writing it in the PL debit account, it will be same. Now in this question, they have given C1 point, depreciate machinery 10% under WDV. What is that? WDV means written down value. So what you have to do, your machinery is given 3 lakh. You see machinery is given 3 lakh. I'm writing in the chat box for you. Machinery is given 3 lakh. From that, you see 3 lakh is the gross value of machine. Gross value means depreciation was not deducted. That was 3 lakh. So if you deduct depreciation, then it will be WDV, means it will be written down value, and it will be how much? It will be how much? Who will tell me? See, I have written in the chat box.
2,70,000.
I've written in the chat box. In working, you do it. Machinery cost is 3 lakh, less depreciation fund 30,000. So balance WDV is 2,70,000. On 2,70,000, you calculate 10% depreciation. So it will be 27,000. This 27,000 depreciation will be coming to PL debit, to depreciation on machinery. And then in the balance sheet asset side, 3 lakh machinery will remain 3 lakh. But in the liability side, your depreciation fund will be this way. Let me show you this. Will be this way. This way. 30,000 plus new depreciation 27,000. It will be 57,000. It will be 57,000. So let me explain again. Depreciation given on the credit side of trial balance. This is depreciation fund. This is the depreciation which was not deducted from the machinery. Remember, and machinery is 3 lakh. Now machinery 3 lakh will be going to balance sheet asset side, no doubt. And depreciation fund 30,000 will be going to be balance sheet liability side, no doubt. But in the adjustment, they are saying that depreciation machinery 10% under written down value. So what you have to do in working, from 30,000, you reduce original depreciation 30,000. From 3 lakh, you deduct 30,000. you are getting 2,70,000 WDV, written down value. On this 2,70,000, you calculate 10% depreciation. So for this year, depreciation is 27,000. This 27,000 will be coming to PL debit side as to depreciation on machinery. Then this depreciation will not go to asset side. As I told you, generally we do that. This depreciation will be going to liability side and added to depreciation fund, which is already given 30,000. Hope you understood. And mathematically it will tell you. Hope you understood. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Regarding
Yes,
the
sir.
depreciation, you can explain again.
See, I have explained. From where I shall explain, you tell me. You have not listened anything.
No, sir, from 27,001.
Okay, okay. See, your machine is given 3 lakh, no doubt. Sahil,
Yes, sir.
machinery
Yes,
3
sir.
lakh. So in the working, when you calculate depreciation, you do this way, 3 lakh minus 30,000. 30,000
Yes,
is accumulated depreciation. This depreciation was not deducted from machinery in the asset side. So it is appearing in the liability side. So WDV means written down value. And written down value means value after depreciation. So from 3 lakh, you minus 30,000, you are getting 2,70,000. On this 2,70,000, depreciation will be 10%, 27,000. This 27,000 depreciation will be coming to PL debit side. This is normal, you know. And then this 27,000 will not go to asset side. It will go to liability side and added to depreciation fund. I told you, instead of deducting from asset side, asset in the asset side, you can put in the liability side. All the same you say that way. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
So now you try yourself again, and then you can ask me questions. You try, I will explain the points. You try to solve it at home and note down your doubts and ask me next. Last point. See, international partners capital, I'm not taking these things. 10% reserve fund, you know, PL Pro and balance sheet liability side added to reserve fund. This you can do. Last one, manager is entitled to a commission of 5% on net profit after charging such commission. This is given. So here, what you have to do, you find net profit without the commission. In working, you write the net profit, and then the formula will be net profit into, see, I have given 5 upon 105, and that way you shall get your commission. In PL account, you write net profit, roughly you calculate. Whatever net profit comes, then you write 5 upon 105. Then it will be commission. This commission will be coming to PL debit, to commission to managers, like that, to managers commission. And after that, you shall write to net profit freshly. First, a net profit will be coming. On that, you find 5 upon 105, and then you write in the PL debit to commission, to managers commission, and below that you write to net profit. And this fresh net profit will be reduced by commission. That is the thing. Hope you can do it, and you can ask me questions next. Now you can ask me if anything you are having. I've dealt with 3 questions here very fast, but you can take up the questions. Today almost double classes, there are many students have left. Anyway, I wanted to complete. I'll give you the recording, and you try to solve all these 3 questions, and then you talk to me with your doubts. You can ask me next class also. Anybody wants to say anything, your views, please talk to me. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm tired after 2 classes. You please talk to me about today's class. Sweetie Chanda,
Yes, sir.
did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay, then practice. Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pre-practice, then questions will be coming back to you again. You can ask me. Okay, then today let us stop here. We shall again come with new questions. And please see the this video of company balance sheet. I'll take up some classes, then I'll explain nicely. Okay, good night.
Good night,
Right.
sir.
Good
Thank
night,
you,
sir.
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 Good night, sir.
Good night. Please
Thank you,
practice,
sir.
everybody. Please practice, everybody.